Everyone knows that men like hearing "I love you." But did you know that there are certain phrases men value even more? Studies show that while love is important, men crave respect, appreciation, and reassurance in ways that aren't always obvious. The problem? Many women don't realize what kind of words have the most impact. Today, we're breaking down 7 powerful phrases men wish they heard more often, but rarely do. These words hit deeper than "I love you" because they tap into what men truly need in a relationship. Stay with me, because this will change how you communicate with the men in your life. Why this matters. A 2021 study from the American Psychological Association found that men are less likely than women to express emotional needs, but are just as affected by words of affirmation. Many men don't talk about their feelings because they've been conditioned not to. Society often tells men they need to be strong and unshaken. But just like women, they want to feel valued, respected, and appreciated. Unfortunately, a lot of women don't know exactly what to say to fulfill these emotional needs. And when men don't hear these words, they can feel unappreciated, even in loving relationships. That's why we're going beyond "I love you" today. Let's dive into the 7 phrases that truly matter. Number 1, I'm proud of you. Men want to feel capable, especially in the eyes of someone they love. When you say, "I'm proud of you," it reassures him that his efforts matter. A Harvard study found that men who feel appreciated in relationships report higher levels of happiness and emotional connection. Many men work hard without expecting praise, but deep down they want to know their efforts are seen. You don't have to wait for big achievements to say it. Tell him when he completes a tough project, pushes through a difficult day, or takes care of something important. Even if he doesn't succeed, recognizing his effort makes a difference. It shows that you value his determination, not just the outcome. Over time, these words build confidence and strengthen your bond. A simple "I'm proud of you" can mean more than you think. Number 2, I respect you. Men need respect just as much as they need love. Relationship expert Dr. Emerson Eggerichs found that many men would rather feel respected than loved. It's not about agreeing with everything he says. It's about valuing his opinions and trusting his decisions. A survey of 400 men showed that over 75% ranked respect as the most important part of a relationship. Men notice when they are heard and taken seriously. If he shares an idea, acknowledge it. If he takes the lead on something, trust him. Even when you disagree, avoid belittling his thoughts. Disrespect can make a man feel unimportant, even in a loving relationship. A simple "I trust your judgment" or "I respect how you handled that" can mean more than you think. When a man feels respected, he is more open, confident, and emotionally invested in the relationship. Number 3, I appreciate everything you do. Men want to feel valued for their efforts, even if they don't ask for recognition. They work hard to provide, protect, and support the people they love. When their actions go unnoticed, they may feel unimportant, even in a strong relationship. A study from the University of Georgia found that couples who express appreciation regularly have happier, more connected relationships. Appreciation doesn't have to be for grand gestures. It's about noticing the little things, fixing something around the house, driving you safely, or handling responsibilities without complaint. A simple "I appreciate you" can change his entire mood. Being specific makes it even more meaningful. Saying "I appreciate how you always take care of things" before I even ask lets him know you see his efforts. Small words of gratitude can make a man feel respected, valued, and motivated to keep giving his best. Number 4, I believe in you. Men carry a lot of pressure to succeed. Society expects them to be strong, capable, and always in control. But just like anyone else, they have doubts. When a man hears "I believe in you," it can give him the push he needs to keep going. A study in the Journal of Applied Psychology found that people perform better when they feel supported by those they care about. Belief is powerful. It's not about blind encouragement. It's about reminding him of his strengths when he forgets them. When he's facing a challenge or struggling with self-doubt, your words can make a difference. Saying, "I know you'll figure this out," or "You've handled tougher things before," can boost his confidence. Sometimes the belief of just one person is enough to help a man push past his fears and succeed. Number 5, you make me feel safe. Many men see themselves as protectors. They may not always say it, but knowing they provide security, physically and emotionally, gives them a sense of purpose. When you tell a man, "You make me feel safe," you reinforce his role as someone strong and dependable in your life. A relationship study found that men who felt like protectors had higher relationship satisfaction and a deeper emotional connection with their partners. It's not just about physical safety. It's about the way he handles stressful situations, supports you during tough times, or simply makes you feel at ease. Saying this after he walks you home, comforts you, or takes care of something important lets him know his presence matters. Men want to feel needed, and this phrase reassures him that he plays a valuable role in your life. Number 6, I desire you. Men don't just want love, they want to feel wanted. Attraction isn't just about physical looks, it's about feeling chosen and admired. A 2022 study found that men who feel desired by their partners have higher self-esteem and greater relationship satisfaction. When a man knows you see him as attractive, it boosts his confidence and deepens your connection. Desire isn't just about grand romantic gestures, it's in the little moments, how you look at him, the way you react when he enters a room, or the words you say. A simple, "You look really good today," can make his day. Expressing attraction verbally reminds him that he still excites you. Men need to hear that they're not just loved but also wanted. That reassurance makes them feel more connected, confident, and valued in the relationship. Number 7, I trust you. Men need to feel trusted. When a man senses doubt from his partner, it creates tension and distance. But when he knows you trust him, he feels valued and respected. Trust isn't just about faithfulness, it's about believing in his decisions, abilities, and integrity. A Psychology Today report found that men in trusting relationships are more engaged, loyal, and emotionally available. Telling a man, "I trust you," reassures him that you believe in his judgment, even when you have different opinions. It means letting him handle responsibilities without micromanaging. Constantly questioning his choices can make him feel incapable. Instead, recognizing his reliability strengthens your bond. Trust is the foundation of a strong relationship. When a man knows his partner trusts him, he feels more confident, more invested, and more willing to open up emotionally. Let's do a quick recap. More than "I love you," men want to hear, "I'm proud of you. I respect you. I appreciate everything you do. I believe in you. You make me feel safe. I desire you. I trust you." These phrases hit deep because they acknowledge a man's emotional needs in ways that words like "I love you" don't always cover. So, here's a challenge. Try using one of these phrases today. Watch how he reacts. You might be surprised at how much of a difference it makes. Now, tell me in the comments, which of these do you think men need to hear the most? Let's talk.